One other continuation on the solar singularity theory. I just showed you pictures of the Milky Way, right? You kept seeing all these spheres. Remember how I told you this was our reality I showed you the other night, remember? And how I said all these different spheres within these different dimensions are different realities? Remember how I was showing you that? Now look again. Remember I was showing our world, our spheres, how it was all set up. Notice a lot of bubbles, a lot of stars, all these spheres, all these plasma balls, that the sun, direct black hole. That's why it's a perfect circle, because it's a direct black hole that is creating the shape of the perfect circle, the bubble. Huh. So you mean to tell me, Josh, that the entire Milky Way galaxy and our entire reality both work exactly the same? What? Yeah, man. So wait a minute, Josh. You're telling me that the Earth is a toroid sphere and the whole galaxy is a toroid sphere. And so the galaxy is set up just like an individual Earth sphere that has flat planes in between each dimension level. And all those are inside these different spheres that all have their own planes within our realm. Wait a minute, Josh. Are you trying to tell me that the setup of this and all the blueprints of everything are all exactly the same? The macro is the micro and the micro is the macro? What? Let me see that again. Yeah, so all these bubbles here, right? Just like our reality layers. Huh, imagine that. You mean to tell me everything is set up the exact same way? Yes. So you mean to tell me that the solar singularity theory applies to everything in all realities and all shapes, all the way down to the cell in your skin, all the way to the central sun of the entire universe? Do you mean to tell me all these cells, just like the realities I showed you, just like these stars, all these cells are bunched up on my arm? Man, kind of similar designs, huh? I hope you're starting to get it. The solar singularity theory, everything is the exact same thing. It's the will within a will. It's the setup of all reality, all the way down to the air that we breathe, to our bodies, to anything you can think of. Everything that exists has this exact same design everywhere. So now I think hopefully you see why the solar singularity theory is so important, because if you've watched the last video and this one, and you've watched my other ones, I hope that you get it now. This is the structure of everything, everywhere, no matter where it is, how big, how small. And even our galaxy is a toroid, right? That's holding everything in. But our galaxy fits in with a bunch of other galaxies into a universe, right? And then that fits into a bunch of other things, into another one, into another one, into another one. It just goes on and on and on, almost forever, but not forever. And well, how do I know that? Because we have fingertips. That's how I knew the breath of Brahma, the expansion of the universe, only went so far, and then it had to come back, the inward breath, because the universe it has edges, right? The universe has edges. But anyways, hopefully that was the home run ball that got it over the fence. But have a great night. Namaste.